just arrived at Tanzhou Hill Park. We've got the big steps in the background. I'm not sure if it's open at the minute, so we won't be walking up there to find it's closed. I can see there's a gate sort of halfway up, and just behind me here you can see all the lights of the trees where they've got the Chinese lanterns ready for Chinese New Year, and it looks like they've just been putting up today by the looks of things, because there's all boxes full of them here. So I think we just caught it in time. They're just sticking them up today, ready for the Chinese New Year. You can support my channel by scanning the WeChat QR code, or buy me a coffee on the QR code above. If you'd like to see any more videos on China, please do hit the subscribe button.